I'm going to bring you straight into a heated conversation we've been having here at Clipflow. We are discussing and debating whether our current marketing strategy is correct and is actually working. Unfortunately, we don't have that much data, so it's all facts and feelings, or not even facts. It's just feelings. So these are the best kind of debates to have.
So essentially, we're all in focused on creating ads, or at least our content team. And then also as far as one acquisition channel, we're relying on ads. We're a few weeks into it now making ads. We're running new ads. But something that we're feeling tension point is, are we making the right ads? That seems to be the biggest thing, is just, are we doing the right ads? And currently right now, we don't have that data. We don't know if the time and energy and the money is equaling. Well, we can say not necessarily, but we don't know if the new stuff is yet. But as far as the history of ads we've done, currently no, it's not doing the thing we need it to do. And so we're trying to work out if we stay the course or whether we need to drop something, increase something. Is that right, boys? Did I follow the conversation?
Yeah.
Right?
I'm going to take my side first, just quick sticks, because I am pro ads and I believe they are working. So the reason why I say that is because in history, we actually gained a lot of our early adopters through ads. That's the only way. That was how we found them. It was very hard to get people with cold outreach. Ads worked really well. We got them. Obviously, it was a free product, early adopter, all said, but they are exactly the avatar that we want. Moving forward, we've experimented with a lot of ads, mainly static ads. And what we have found is that video ads, because we had a couple of winners, brought in much better quality than the statics. So recently, we've moved more into video. Now, our paid subscribers, which we only launched paid like in the last moments of last year. Obviously, there was Christmas, which is a terrible time for content creation. And then we started the new year and we haven't seen, but our best ad was one talking about analytics, which doesn't exist. So my theory is we built a great ad, brings people in, they come to the platform, they don't see what they want and they bounce. That's my understanding. Totally understand that we don't have the data to support anything right now. And we're spending very little, we're only spending $100 a day, which is, I think, a key thing to understand. Other than that, I'm pro ads. I think we're on the right track. I think it's going to take time. We're building features as hard and fast as we can. So I'm happy to not burn runway or cash while we do that. But that is what I have to say about it. I'm going to throw it rugby pass straight to Dazza.
I don't even have a way of combating that because I was never anti-ads to begin with.
I think we're all bullish on ads.
My problem that brought this up is that I was asking, so tracing back the number of leads that are going to the website, to the number of free trial conversions, to the number of paid conversions. And our problem at the moment is that because we're doing organic and ads at the same time, it's hard to see, but most of the conversions are coming from organic. And when I say organic, this is people we talk to all the time, people who see our stuff all the time, which could include ads. And we don't have a good way of saying, like, we put this much money into ads, we get it back out the other end. And like Kim was saying, it's only been a month since we turned spend on, and we've actually been doing really well of like getting paid users. So it's not the end of the world. But yeah, I don't know how to defend against that. I just want to make sure we're making the right ads. And you can't see that if you don't have the right data, like the payments coming out the other end. So it's a bit of a mystery. We're going on feelings.
Yeah, unfortunately with ads, to get the data, it costs money. And we are at the absolute minimum. Okay, yeah. But we're at such the lower end of a spend of ads that it's hard to generate any meaningful data from that. But it means we can play the game so much longer. So are we at the threshold of not getting any data? Are we just bump it up a little bit? Do we get some data? Like, this is really what we're discussing here, because I think we're all pro ads.
Yeah. No, we definitely know that we
and pro spending money too,
Yeah. We got a data problem, but I like my argument is like we need time to build out this next kind of swing, because this is a swing. It takes time because it's a big thing, unfortunately. So we can't just do it instantly. And then once we do it, we can spend money and direct to it and then see how that converts. Because it'll be basically a different product. I would say it's like would you say?
Do you mean analytics?
Yeah.
Like, 100%. It's a different product. It'll be positioned as its own thing. It won't even, like, in marketing, talking about this part of the product, which I don't think it'll have a different name, but we'll talk about it as if it's just a product called analytics. You wouldn't really mention the project management in the same ad.
No,
yeah. It's a different...
So it's a different, really different piece of the platform, which obviously very complementary. Like, it goes perfect in the life cycle, but it is a different piece of it's a different feature. Very big.
Very big. Nice platform. It's a great software.
I'm super bullish. Like, I think we're doing the right stuff. I've seen the ads. The quality is freaking 10 out of 10 from the team. I'm
good
loving
ads.
it. I'm really
shout
excited
out to the team.
Great ads.
You guys are absolutely destroying it. So yeah, look, I know that Daryl and I need to do more ads because our ads do really well as well. Like they
Yeah,
have
ads
done
do great.
really well in the past. So we need to do that. I think we're on the right track. I think we've done everything's perfect. I think we're getting impatient, like 100%. Like definitely. We
Oh,
don't have
yeah.
the data.
Yeah, you got to be impatient though, and also got to be aware of those things. I think it's important to think about.
100%. I think about them
Yeah,
all the
that's
time.
good.
Don't worry.
Important
I want to get
converse.
analytics out so fast. Like, trust me. That's why there's a reason.
Have you
But
tried
yeah.
AI for coding, bro? It's really good these days.
Yeah, maybe you should try using Claude. I've heard Claude is some guy. He knows how to use AI. You should call him.
Oh, yeah, just use that. Just plug that in and just go. Maybe I'll go
Yeah.
buy a Claude. I
Get
think
that,
that's
Max.
the problem. I think I'm letting down the whole team.
Yeah, we'll have
Dude.
to agree out in the
Yeah,
next
look,
10 minutes.
I think we're on the right way. We're on
just-
the right track. We can check back in a month and see. I mean, our new ads have only been running for 3 days.
A minute. Yeah, like 1 minute. Yeah.
They haven't even been like spooled up. But like what? Also, just to quickly fill everyone in who's watching till 7 minutes, mate. But like we have an ad here with a 75% hook rate. Holy crap.
Damn.
The next one down is 37% with a reach of 1,000. So that's like actually really good data. 32%, 29, 28, 27. The ad quality has improved. So it's.
I mean, I think they don't even seem like ads in that regard, because like you watch the start of some of those and it just feels like you're watching another reel, which is exactly what you want.
That's what we want. So we're on the right track. Got to take some
Yeah.
time. I'm feeling pumped. You can't take that away from me, even if we don't have data yet. Sometimes you got to believe in the non-data, and
Yeah.
that's where we are right now. That's the whole thing. Hormozy is like you got to be able to make decisions without the data, and that's the hardest part of running a business is because you're making decisions without the full picture. That's it. You got to be quick. And you got to have a runway. So that's where
Yeah.
I'm kind of sitting right now. I'm like,
Yeah,
we're having as many shots at goal as we can.
Yeah.
And-
you take one big kick and it doesn't go through, we're cooked.
Yeah. You spend all days spooling up and miss the goal. So I'd rather just do as many as possible. So for me, I think we're doing great. And on that note, we'll catch you on the next one.